Morning, gents. I'm busy with something else tomorrow. This morning, I will give attention to the magneto a little bit later, and some bolts and that brackets. And I'm busy doing the whole wheel, so it's actually a better job. And also from the inside, and this time on a jack. And of course, I'm gonna put the new tire and tube on. Okay, gents, how is that for a tire? I took it to a shop to put it on for me. It was really too difficult to get it myself, so now I'm gonna put it on the inner part. So how is that, my friends? That looked nice. The 3-rib. And I've also done the inside. So that wheel is finished. A little look from far. I'll say. Okay, guys, thank you. That's all for today on my Farmall. Thank you.